Liam, can you say apple juice?
Apple juice. Apple juice.
Apple juice.
Apple juice.
Can you say peppercorn? Peppercorn.
Apple juice.
Juice.
Apple juice.
Right, apple juice. Can you say orange?
Orange.
Can you say toes? Can you say boobies? Can you say dog? Woo, woo. Can you say butt? Butt. Can you say feet? Eat. Okay, can you say nose? Nose? Where's your nose? There. Can you say it?
Nose.
Can you say ears? Say eyes? Say teeth? Can you say it? Can you say teeth? Liam, can you say teeth? Teeth. Can you say, what else do you like to say? Can you say house?
Apple.
Apple. We know you like to say apple. Can you say banana? What's scary about a banana? Can you say banana? Nana. Can you say fish? Did Daddy have a fish on his shirt? Fish. Can you say blocks?
Yeah.
Camera. Finger. See, when we look through it, look what we see. What is that? What's that big thing over there?
Yeah.
What's that?
Yeah.
Truck. That's right. Who's that up there? Let's see. Who's that?
Santa.
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 Santa. See him? Liam, who is, let's see if we can get far. Oh. Who is that?
Okay.
Who's that?
Nana.
Who's that?
Nuna.
Nona? Snowman.
Santa.
That's Santa. You had it right. How'd you say it?
Santa.
No, what's this one? Who's that?
Okay.
Who's that?
Santa.
Snowman.
Nuna.
Nina. What's that right there on the couch? Can you say couch?
Couch.
Couch. Can you, what's that right there?
Right. Eat.
What is that?
Right.
Bowl?
Boo.
Bowl. What do we need bowls to make?
Dad.
What do we make in bowls? Do we mix? Can you say mix? We mix to make waffles. Do we make waffles in bowls? What did you eat for breakfast this morning? Did you eat waffles? Can you say it?
Waffle.
Waffle. Can you say it again?
Waffle.
Waffle. All right, can you say light? Can you say briefcase? Buckle. Can you say buckle?
Buckle.
Buckle. All right. One last thing. You gotta say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye.